Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with a Purpose. In this video, I have added manual workouts with two type of activities, walking and cycling, in my health app, and I am going to display it in the form of a list, which is basically an alternate of table view in SwiftUI. So let's get started. So I am adding some of the models here. The first one is a workout, which is a struct. I have added three of its properties. It is codable, which means that a JSON can be loaded into it directly. It is hashable, which will enable it the hashing of the object, and identifiable because it will be uniquely identifying using any of the constraint. So I've added a variable ID that will make it unique. Uniqueness is ensured by the identifiable keyword. And here I'm adding some of the properties. There is an ID, name, image name, which we are going to show which type of activity is this, duration, distance in calories, and you can see the relevant types here. So here we are creating a model workout items. It is basically an aggregate of workouts, and we have created it with the type of observable object because we are going to publish all the changes it is going to create, and it has a variable workout items. It will be a collection of all the workouts, and we are going to publish it so that the list updates itself whenever a change is made to this array. The last model is basically a workout cell. It is a view. I have shown you how to add this view. So this view is basically just like a cell we are going to create in a UI table view in case of a simple Swift code. So here we are basically using SwiftUI. So we are adding this view. It will be a combination of stack views. So there will be two edge stacks, and there will be some of the V stacks inside the right one edge stack, and the left one will contain the image of the activity. So kindly follow this code. So here I've added two of the extensions. One is HK workout activity type, which will basically return us a string which will correspond to a specific HK workout activity type, because the workout types has a type and an int value, and I cannot get the actual string value it corresponds to. Another extension I've added is basically that will convert the integer value of time in seconds and convert it into hours, minutes, and seconds. And I am getting a short form of it. You will be able to see that it will represent hour as HR, minute as MIN, and seconds as SEC. So this is all for the extensions. Let's continue further. So in my main content view, I'm going to add some of the variables. One of this is observed object var items, which is basically an instance of workout items, which is our published variable. And it is going to update the value of the list whenever a change occurs in these items. Also, I'm going to get a workout array here, and some of the variables that will hold the actual values of the different properties of workout, like its name, duration, calories, and distance covered. I am going to then add a list, which is basically a synonym of table view in actual Swift. So it will work just like a table view, and I'm going to create some of the workout cells depending upon the size of the activities that I have in my health app. So here I am creating a predicate that will help us to get all the workout values. I've tried it with basically a type like dot walking and dot cycling, but that predicate only holds one type of activity at a moment. So I have added another predicate that will give me all the values of the workouts that have a duration greater than 1. So when I applied it to HK sample query with some limits and a sort descriptor that will sort all the values depending upon its starting time and in descending order, like the latest one will be shown on the top, and after that a result handle is added that will handle all the errors, and in case we do not return for the errors, it means that it's a success, and we are going to pass on to our workouts type. Workout array will have all the values, and I am now going to get some of the values from it, like total energy burned, workout activity type, total distance, and then the duration, which will be in the form of a int value, and we are going to convert it into string using our helper extensions that I have mentioned earlier. After that, we are going to pass all of these variable values to my workout, which will then be added to my workout items. Now as soon as workout items is updated, since it is an observed object, it is going to update the list and all values will be shown on the UI. Now after doing all the coding, I'm going to run the code. The code is basically going to show me all the workouts that I've added manually in the health app. I'm going to show you the health app at a later stage where you can see all of these activity values, and then you can confirm it inside my this run of the app, and you can see all the values are visible inside the cells which compose this list. So this is all for this tutorial. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. In this tutorial I've covered this aspect of basically showing all the workouts from the health app and all the relevant details, how to pull these details and show in the form of a list. Also I've shown you how to create a basically list inside SwiftUI using this example of HealthKit. I hope you're enjoying the content of this channel. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Goodbye.